So, since the last time we've seen each other, I have gotten a new car and have moved. But it's Labor Day weekend, so I planned a little trip for Joseph and I, a little mountain bike trip and car camping trip. So we're going to Arkansas. So let's go. Okay, so we're out of Love's because the camp spot we wanted didn't notice till too late we needed a reservation, and it's like 12 in the morning, so I was like let's just sleep somewhere else for tonight. So we've got our bed set up here and our fan, and we'll leave early in the morning.
Damn.
That's the one with the waterfall.
Exactly.
So yeah, so that's where we're going.
Looks like it's just a big moss buildup. I've never seen it. It's so thick that none of this is sown. This is all standalone, all the way down. I've never seen that before. There's a big rock. I can't see any of the ground. It's pretty cool. No, the pantaloons! Oh! Oh!
It's so cold. It's so cold.
Sounds so much wider than you.
Huh?
So much wider than you.
Alright, ready, set, go. Oh,
We're staying.
it's too cold.
Native chains. Big like hay bites.
There it goes. Okay, so update.
Dude wipes.
Okay, so update. It is now 11:30. At the state park, I took a shower. That's why I've had an outfit change. I'm wearing my pink Patagonias and my REI t-shirt. We are now at a mountain bike trail in Hot Springs, Arkansas. I think it's part of Hot Springs National Park, I think, but here are the bikes. Oh! This one's mine, that one's Joseph's, and this is what the trail start looks like. There's like this big bridge. So yeah, I'll see you on the trail.
Did you fall? She's actually doing really good before that. You good? I feel bad. The only times I turn on the camera, you're falling. I didn't get the good part.
Okay. This is gonna be a good part. Ready?
Okay. Big push, big push. Look forward, look forward. Yep. 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 Keep going. Keep going forward.
I'm going.
You're good.
Okay.
Good job, baby.
Yeah. I can't stop.
Don't stop, don't stop. Ugh. Push through, push through, push through. You're good. Gotta, look, if one foot's down, the other foot's gotta be. If one foot's down, the other foot's up, you know what I mean?
Biking is hard.
You know, I think the funny part is you keep trying to lift your leg over the seat and not the middle. So instead of like doing that, you're just like in the water. Stop number one. About probably 100 yards in, not even. Looks like a little like dam or something. Oh, wow.
Joseph's doing good.
Probably look like a caveman right now.
Like a daughter with the curse, coming like a freak show takes the stage. We give them the games to play. Say I want something else to get me through this semi-time kind of life, baby, baby. I want.
Hey, I'm really bad at filming outros, so forgive me. I'm gonna get better. I always forget. So obviously made it home from Arkansas. There's so much nature there. There's so much to do, so many state parks. Like you could be there forever, but it's also a really good spot for just a weekend trip. Like we got so much done in just a weekend. Well, really just like one day, pretty much. But Joseph's favorite part was definitely the biking trail. I'm sure it's in the video, but the name of it, the one we did, was Northwood Trails in Hot Springs. It was probably my favorite part too. I really enjoyed it, even though I fell a bunch of times and cried, but I'm not a great biker just yet. Arkansas is full of biking trails though, so if you're into biking, highly suggest going there because they're all so cool. Like I did my research, I saw all the places, they're so cool. Yeah, so much to do, highly suggest going. I'll probably be back in a few weekends. So I'll see you then.